morning, senior kids. Once again, I welcome you all in yet another class. And this is the EVS class, Environmental Studies. So, since we were learning the different life cycles and their changes, so we had started with the life cycle of mammals, then reptiles, then amphibians, then we had studied the life cycle of birds. Today, we are going to learn about fish and the life cycle of a fish. So what is a fish, children? Usually when we think about fish, what does it comes in our mind? Water, because fish lives in the water. Fish have fins, scales. Okay, so let's see what is a fish. Fish are cold-blooded aquatic animal. Aquatic animal, why do we call? Because aquatic means water. So aquatic animal with backbones, because they are vertebrates, right? So with backbones and gills, they have gills, and their body is covered with scales and a pair of fins, various set of fins. Some have 2-3 pair of fins and along with the tail fins. Okay, and they most of the fish are tub shaped. Tub shaped means they will in oval shaped with the mouth and the tail fin. Okay, and there are many variations of fish, such as I will show you some fish or the sea creatures. So look at this fish. It is a tub shaped fish. So fish is in cold-blooded. Fish are cold-blooded aquatic animals, and they have backbones, gills. Their bodies are covered with scales. As you could see, the small lines, they are scales, and they have fins here, here, and here. They have fins, and after that they have tail fins. Okay, so all this makes a fish, but they vary in sizes, they vary in colors. Okay, they vary in appearance. So this is a scorpion fish. So both the fish are different. Like this is a puffer fish. They will puff out. They have special characteristics. This is a clown fish. It's a stingray fish. They are all fish. Okay. Next, yellow butterfly fish. Can you see? They occurs, isn't it? The variation occurs, isn't it? This is a guppy fish, swordfish. All the fish doesn't look same. So they all looks different. These are the goldfish, but every fish body is covered with scales, fins. Okay, this is an eelfish that looks like a snake. A seahorse, seahorses. Dolphin, this is a dolphin. Hammerhead shark, whale. So there are many fishes that lives in water. Okay, so now let's move on to the life cycle of water. So how does the life cycle of water, life cycle of fish occurs in the water? So as we all know that fish lives in the water itself. So in the water, adult fish lay many eggs. Okay, and then those eggs will be deposited on the seabed of the water. So seabed in the ocean or the sea, the floor of the sea is called the seabed. So all the eggs will be deposited in the seabed. And from the eggs comes up small fishes. Small fishes, and these newly hatched fishes are called alevins, or we call them as small fishes. Okay, and still the yolk sac will be attached in their body, and when they were very small, they get their food from the yolk sac from which they were born. Okay, and when this small fish or the alevin grows out, they are called as fry. And in this stage, they will swim very faster and they will feed on the small particles that is present in the water. And this fry will grow up into adult fish. And at this stage, they gain their weight very quickly. And they will become adult fish very soon. And again, adult fish lay eggs. From the lay eggs comes out the small fish or the fry. So small fish or the alevins. And when the alevins they grow up, they become the fry, and from the fry, during the fry stage, they will feed on the dust particles that is in the water, and and from the fry, they gain their weight very quickly and they grow up into adult fish. So this is a life cycle of a fish. Okay, children. So let's do the worksheet. Check out your concept worksheet now and turn to page number 33. So this is the worksheet that we are going to do today. Look at the pictures below and write the correct name from the box below. So pictures are given, and below the pictures you could see a box with 4 words. So what are they? Fish, eggs, small fish, fry. So we have to write the correct name in the bubbles given near the life cycle of the fish. Okay, what is the first stage? Egg. So here we have to write egg. So take out your pencil and write eggs. So write in the cursive form, egg. Okay, not it's eggs. This is the first. And next from the eggs comes out the small fish. So second is small fish. Small fish. Third one is, this is the third stage. The first stage is eggs. Second stage is small fish. Third stage is fry. And the fourth stage is adult fish or fish. Okay, so like this, children, you have to write the correct name in the different stages of life cycle of a fish. So kids, with this I am coming to an end of today's class. Until I meet you in the next new day, it's your auntie saying bye and take care.